Hey guys, welcome to the blog. On today's episode, this is just a continuation of my Costco Maisto hunting, and we in our group there's my buddy there. He posted that one of the Costco in Mississauga have the stock of the Maisto car. So I go to one Costco at Mississauga and there's no stock there. So I was wondering which Costco. So I go to another one. So I drive like 60 kilometers to get here. So here it is. So they have these, like these bunch. I was thinking like, oh, that's the same car that I have already. And then I dig inside. Then I found these two, Bugatti Divo and the one I like. Yay! So stay tuned for the unboxing, and here it is. So I decided to arrange it by car. So this is what's left. This one. That's a bunch, a lot actually. And those. What did you get? Okay, hello guys. So we're just gonna continue our another Costco haul. This is the two items that I bought at Costco just earlier. So we're gonna unbox this one now, and I'm gonna show you the item that I bought. So it's a Bugatti Chiron and a Lamborghini B12 Vision Gran Turismo. So we will start at Bugatti Divo. So I have this one last year, but different color, sky blue and matte black in color. So lucky they restock at Mississauga, so I get a chance to get the cars that I want. And Bugatti Divo is not part of the initial cars that I wanted, but since it has a different color, and I bought it. So here it is, Bugatti Divo in nice shiny dark red color. Let's remove it from the base. Well, one Bugatti Divo is not enough, so we bought another one. So yeah, so here it is guys. Let's remove the sticker. I'm always having a hard time removing these stickers. I don't want to scratch it or anything. Yep, so here it is. Nice color, carbon fiber accent. Bugatti Divo. Yeah. Interior is just plain black with carbon fiber accent and some suede pattern there, or leather, not sure. It's nice actually. The bonnet doesn't go up. Bottom chassis is just plain chassis. You see, some of the people are asking, when did Maisto acquire Burago? Actually, they just merged few years ago because Maisto Group take over Maisto, and they also bought Burago, so that's the story. Nice wheels, carbon ceramic brakes. The details on this one are nice. The headlight, the front, let's see the bonnet. just little compartment right there. That's the Bugatti Divo. Nice color. The next one will be the Vision GT, which is the car that I'm hunting before I bought all those 5 cars that I posted. So here it is. Nice. Let's open it. Same color as the Lamborghini Cyan. I think they based the color of this one to that one, and this one is a concept car, which is so futuristic. One iconic Lamborghini. You see how nice. If they make this a real one, well, it's gonna be one off for sure. It's like an airplane without wings. The front with a 63 Lamborghini logo. The headlight, wow, the headlight is so futuristic. The cockpit, I don't know if the doors open, but let me see. See the wheels? All electric wheels. Carbon ceramic brakes. What is that? The other side. Wow. The GT logo, Gran Turismo logo right there. Awesome. See? That's why this is one is a must-have. Oh my god. Look. The exhaust. It says Centro Stile. Yeah. Centro Stile. I don't know what that means, but it looks like center style or something. Well, maybe. My Italian is not that good. Nice bottom. Let's see if we can open the doors. I don't know if this one is opening. Oh, there you are. Yep. Only the bonnet. Like that. Yep. But the door, so we cannot see the interior. Let's see. Oh, okay. So you open this way. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's no steering wheel on this one. There's no steering wheel, just a seat. One seat and no pedal. That's it. So it goes like this. Ta-da! Awesome. Yep. So Lamborghini V12 Vision Gran Turismo by Maisto. Nice. Good job. So these are the last two edition in my 1:18 collection. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and if you love this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys for subscribing. See you guys next time. Peace.